Good evening, Jennifer Wygant here, nursing education. It has been an interesting couple of weeks for sure in nursing and in education, and globally, of course. So many changes have happened in the school where I teach. We are remote learning only. We have all of the clinicals have been canceled, and we are going to we are going to successfully present simulations remotely to students. We are going to use Kahoot. We are also going to use a couple of other sites like here, that we are going to be able to have multiple people where I or the other instructor would be able to we would be able to share a simulation. We would back the camera away so we could show a skill with our hands. We would have the students teach back to us, and we would be able to have an ongoing conversation. And perhaps we haven't quite figured it out yet, but perhaps one student would be tested while three critiqued them. We are going to have to get very creative. I know that my children, who are 8 and 13, are using platforms at school, mostly Google Classroom and Class Dojo is what they are using. We are going to use Zoom, GoToMeeting, Kahoot, which is what my initial conversation was going to be about. But now that things have changed, I think my project here is going to morph into how we are changing our curriculum to meet the needs of the students and to meet the needs of online learning. They also have a Moodle platform similar to our platform at Empire, but their items do not open up in modules. Their items open up as the teacher or the instructor opens them for the students to be able to see. So you may be able to look at your assignments for the entire semester, but you can't open it until the instructor decides that's time, unlike ours that you are able to look ahead. It's overwhelming. We say a lot in pre-licensure nursing school, remember how you eat an elephant, and everyone looks at you like you're crazy, and it's one bite at a time. And so they are not really prepared enough to be able to see an entire semester. In my master's program, when I got my classes, I would look all the way through at any kind of projects I needed to see, and I would be able to, part of life with being home with your children, being homeschooled, movies going on in the background, and children walking into the screen. So, as I was saying, there are many platforms that can be used to hopefully be able to deliver the information that we need to deliver in an online platform. That is not ideal. It was not planned, but it will be fantastic. So we are all of the staff are going to meet tomorrow and going to put our heads together and try and find the best solutions to these current problems. Hopefully other schools have posted their ideas also, so we can collaborate. Thanks so much. Hope everyone's doing well. Wash your hands.